What if you could capture aerial photos and videos with an 8K dual-camera drone that's small enough to fit in your backpack? Today on Caring Guy, we're reviewing the Lenovo E69 Drone, a compact quadcopter with dual cameras, optical flow stabilization, and Wi-Fi FPV live video transmission. Let's see if this affordable drone is actually worth it. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to start flying. You get the Lenovo E69 Drone, a remote control transmitter, a 3.7-volt lithium battery, USB charging cable, 4 spare propellers, a small screwdriver, and the user manual. The drone comes in a compact, protective box, making it easy to carry around. The E69 drone has a small, foldable-style body with a lightweight design. It measures roughly 14 by 11 centimeters, so it's very portable. Despite the compact size, the drone includes LED lights and durable plastic construction, which helps during night flights and improves visibility. Now let's talk about the camera system. The drone features dual cameras capable of capturing aerial photos and videos. The front camera supports 8K resolution output, while the secondary camera helps with optical flow positioning. You can also electronically adjust the camera angle up to 180 degrees, which allows you to capture different perspectives during flight. With Wi-Fi FPV, you can view the camera feed directly on your smartphone in real time. The Lenovo E69 includes a 6-axis gyroscope, which helps stabilize the drone during flight. It also features optical flow positioning and altitude hold, making hovering much easier, especially for beginners. Flight speeds are adjustable. Low speed, around 3 meters per second, medium speed, around 4 meters per second, and high speed, around 6 meters per second. This gives you flexibility whether you're learning to fly or capturing smooth footage. The drone also includes several useful smart functions. These include Headless mode, which simplifies orientation while flying, trajectory flight, where you draw a path on the app and the drone follows it, Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. All of these features make the drone easier to control and more fun to use. The drone uses a 3.7-volt removable lithium battery. Flight time is around 6 to 10 minutes, depending on flight speed and weather conditions. Charging takes about 40 to 60 minutes, so you can quickly get back in the air. The remote control range is roughly 100 meters, which is good for a drone in this category. The controller operates on a 2.4 GHz signal, helping reduce interference during flight. Overall, the Lenovo E69 Drone offers a lot of features for a compact aerial camera drone. You get dual camera system, Wi-Fi FPV live video transmission, optical flow stabilization, headless mode and trajectory flight, compact and portable design. For beginners or casual drone users, it's a fun and easy way to start exploring aerial photography. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on notifications for more drone and tech reviews. And tell me in the comments, what would you film first with this drone? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.